In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two tables in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing data, combining sections of a document, or you simply want everything to look cleaner and easier to read, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc and scroll to the two tables you want to merge. Once you're there, look at the bottom row of the first table. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Click inside the very last row of that first table, then right-click with your mouse and choose Insert Row Below. This creates a new, empty row that will serve as the connection point between both tables. Next, go to the second table, the one you want to merge into the first one. Click and drag to select the entire table. When it's fully highlighted, right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C. Now return to the new row you inserted in the first table. Click inside the very first cell of that row and either press Ctrl+V or right-click and choose Paste. Just like that, the entire second table gets inserted directly into the first one, turning both of them into a single combined table. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure both tables have the same number of columns, adjust column widths before merging, and remove any extra blank rows afterward. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent strange formatting issues. Once you've pasted the second table, take a moment to adjust spacing and alignment so everything looks neat. After that, you should be able to work with your new combined table without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to resize columns if needed and match formatting so the table looks consistent. Taking this extra step ensures the final result is clean and professional, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to merge two tables in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be stuck with the same problem. Why not make someone's day easier?